Hey fam, welcome back to Evans Acres Homestead. It is Kimberly here. If this is your first time joining us, hello and welcome. Welcome to all the new subscribers that we have. We are so excited that you have joined us, and we're going to go on this educational series. So, I am just trying to pump out content, get some quality content out for our channel. And I'm going to take you all on the journey with me. So, a quick shout out to the garden. Let me let you look at it. So, I'm sitting in the comfort of the gazebo, just looking out over the garden. And for the new ones, this year we just did two beds. Here we actually have 3 beds. There's another one over here on the side. You can see it right there. And it has a bunch of the fruit trees and a couple of the big tomato plants. But you can see, and look, guys, you remember I was going to pull those sunflowers. You can see that they died back. But I was going to pull those, but I have 2 more that are growing out of them. So I was like, let me do it. And then you see this long tomato plant over here. It's just determined to grow. Look at that one. That one right there is just determined to grow too. So I'm not staking them anymore. I was staking them and then decided, you know what, since we are in and out so much, I'm just gonna let them grow. You can see our peppers. We have 2 peppers growing on the pepper plant. We have some peppers growing in this bed as well. A bunch of tomatoes. We got some watermelon growing. We have some okra. You can see all the okra. Pretty much most of that tall stuff back there is okra. This bed has 1 okra, or actually 2 okras in it. So I'm thinking some kind of way the seeds got put over there. I didn't plant any okra in this one. I planted okra in this one. So not too sure how that happened, but nonetheless, they're growing. You can see the sweet potatoes are growing like crazy in this bed here. Strawberry is growing like crazy in this bin here, and it's putting out more runners, which I'm going to catch and put back on the inside. I'm trying to contain all the strawberry within this one container for right now, and then I'm going to bring that in to protect it for the summer. So yeah, we have a lot going on. So a real quick walkthrough to let you all see it. See all the fun. Here goes some big tomatoes growing here. Got those growing in there. And there's tomatoes. You see we got lots of flowering going on. It's starting to look like a forest through here. Walkway is like no longer a walkway. I'm gonna have to move all this stuff out. And look, we got new growth for sweet potatoes growing. More tomatoes. Ooh, that's gonna be a lot of tomatoes on this one too. And then you can see all the okra in here. Oh, we got mushrooms going down there. Look at that. So much going on the inside. Ooh, oh, we got some more beans going over there. Beans. My mother's gladiolas did great this year. They leaned over some. But they're still blooming. And these are going to seeds. How beautiful. I'm gonna collect those seeds and plant some more next year. Here we go. Those are growing. I got all kinds of stuff over here. These are our sweet potatoes and watermelon. It's just all growing on the inside. Well, and on the outside. Sweet potatoes are growing like crazy. I'm going to pick those back up and put them back inside the bed because I want to contain everything in the bed. I think I have some squash growing in here, a cucumber that I'm letting go to seed. I have some squash. I see some squash plants. So we'll let those grow. But yeah, so that's just a quick view of the garden today. Oh wow, look at all those beans. I didn't see those two just now. Darn it. Look at that. Look at that. These already gone to seeds. I didn't even catch these, Kimberly. There goes another one. Y'all, I got so many seeds from these this year. I catch them. I have enough on the inside of the house that I harvested yesterday. This one's still edible. This one's edible too. These other 4 or 5 need to go to seed. So I'll harvest those. And then there's a bunch of these. Woohoo. Long ones, so those will be growing. For sure. Look at him. He was trying to get away. Yeah, so there's lots of fun over here. I live behind the fire department, so here goes some more tomatoes that look like they are past ready. Yep, totally missed them. I'll throw them in the backyard for the deer. All right, guys, so that's our quick video for today. Video number 1. You get to look in the garden and remember to bloom where you are planted. And they have definitely done that. They have bloomed exactly where they are planted. That grasshopper is huge. I got the bees and the wasps out here today. All right, guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you so much for tuning in with us. We are going to check you on the next video. Oh, look at the locust. He must have died last night. Yep. Must have flew out of a tree and died right there. Because he did. For sure. For sure. He did. All right, guys. Love you all. And as always, if there's anything that I can do to help you on your journey, don't hesitate to reach out. Bye.